Hey guys, I need y'all to stick around and watch the entire video because I got a couple things to say about this. But first and foremost, I didn't even know these were going to restock as soon as they did. So we got to talk about that as well. Stick around, stay tuned. We got a lot to discuss with this particular sneaker, man. Let's get right into it. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, pulling up into today's video. You guys see me talking about a restock. We talking about shock drops all the time. And if that's something you are interested in getting information on, you are in the right place, man. I help you guys out all the time about future restocks, about future, shock drops and stuff like that. And I know you guys seen those official images of the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. Like I said, yo, this year is definitely filled with bangers, J Balvin's, Travis Scott's. And we also getting a crazy Air Jordan 3 this month. Put a picture up here. I still don't even know the official name, like Nina or something, I don't know. But still a very, very dope Air Jordan 3 that I'm definitely gonna snag. I see a lot of people hype these out of nowhere with a pair of Air Jordan 3s, man. But that's neither here nor there. If you want information like that, man, like I said, you are in the right spot. Sub up, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what your next pickup is, or if you ain't copping nothing else, let me know what your last nigga pickup was as well. Of course, all my social media links will be down below in the description box. You see we like right there by that 100K. I cannot wait to announce the giveaway, man. It's gonna be something dope. It's gonna be something special. So stick around and stay tuned for the details. All right, man. So we got the box, man. We got the pack, bro. And like I said in the intro, like I said in the thumbnail and the title, nobody expected this restock to happen. Nobody was talking about it. You didn't see anybody on YouTube telling you, oh, it's a shock drop happening at this time, that time. But it all does make a little bit of sense. It all makes sense. You guys are gonna know exactly what I'm talking about if you did not skip through the video. And if you didn't skip through, man, comment me out in the comment section. I got something for y'all. Like I said, man, we're gonna get right into it. You guys know we got some heat, right? Y'all know we put a Rambo knife out. We got some heat in the box. And this right here is my sneaker of the year. And I probably just spoiled it if you guys are actually watching the entire video. I do appreciate everybody that does, sit and watch the entire video if you're watching on your TV. Usually the people that's watching on their phone, you just skip through. But if you guys are watching on TV, man, appreciate y'all. Got me on a big screen. I'll tag your boy on Instagram. Let's go ahead and get into these. My sneaker of the year. Probably not a lot of everybody else's, but definitely mine. You guys are gonna know exactly where they are by the box. Let's go ahead and check it out, man. You see it, bro. You see it, man. Hold on, bro. Hold on, man. We have a pair of Air Jordan 4s. And y'all know, bro, if you've been sleeping on a rock, you've been on Twitter, you've been on Instagram, you probably know exactly what these are, man. Let's go ahead and read the official colorway size tag. And it reads, Air Jordan 4 Retro, off-white, in military blue, size 9.5. Y'all see it, bro. Let's go ahead and get into these things. Another one, another pair. You know your boy DeVintage went crazy on the pairs. And yes, sir. Woo, they smelling good, looking good. And we have the Air Jordan 4 military blue, guys. And I don't gotta, run no B-roll. You guys have seen them 100 times. You probably like, yo, did he make another military blue video? But I want to talk about the restock that we've seen and how we potentially could be getting a lot more restocks in the near future. But for these in particular, you guys know that they sold out on Sneakers App really fast. There wasn't a lot of pairs on the Sneakers App. There were mainly pairs at the different mom and pop shops, Foot Locker, Foot Actions, and stuff like that. But for these, a lot of stores did not get all of their shipments. So I forgot to mention, these did come from JD Sports. They did a crazy restock. And when I went on there, I didn't even believe it. I said, yo, I'm not about to hit. Usually when you get on JD and Finish Line, it might have a size up on there, but it's going to say sold out as soon as you try to add it to the cart. But I actually got all the way through. And they actually did another restock like 30 minutes later. And I could have got another pair. I'm like, you know what? Three pairs is enough for your boy DeVintage. 3 pairs is definitely enough, but I had to capitalize. I had to secure another pair of the military blue 4s. And usually like, J23 will put it out, or your favorite Discord will put it out, but literally it was crickets about this, restock right here. So it's kind of like a shock drop restock, man. For the people that didn't get a pair, the people that needed a pair, they were on JD Sports. I retweeted on my Twitter. So if you are following me on Twitter, I'm pretty sure you guys seen that retweet. But if you're not, man, make sure you tap into Twitter down below, man. But these right here, shock drop restock happened. Quick little restock action, man, for the military blues. And a shoe that we're going to be getting, in July. And they're released in July. We just unboxed them the other day. It's the Air Jordan 4 oxidized greens. And let me go ahead and do a quick comparison, bro. Look at these, man. Look at the quality. Look at the hits they throw in here, man. Look at that nice tumbled leather and then look at the military blue Air Jordan 4s. Now, I don't know what Nike be doing. That's what I'm saying. This is my quick little rant. I don't know what they be thinking about, but for some reason, they put all the good quality on non-OG colorways, and they put all the good quality on women's exclusive. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to talk trash or anything like that, but it does not make sense on how we get this crazy tumble leather on the oxidized green Air Jordan 4, which is a nice sneaker, man. I'm glad that I was able to snag them. This is a personal. But then you come to the military blues and you get this stiff leather quality, man. I just do not understand it, man. Maybe somebody can explain it to me, because I know Nike ain't gonna answer nothing I'm asking. But like I said, man, you get shoes like this, bruh, you know, GRs, technically speaking, that gets better quality than, you know what I'm saying, the military blues. I don't know. I don't understand. I honestly do not understand it at all. But you guys can see, bro, I made a video talking about how these ruined the military blue release, because they did, bro. The quality is killing the military blue Air Jordan 4s. I'm just being honest with y'all, man. But nonetheless, man, quick little unboxing for these joints, quick little restock action. I had to get another pair, and I do see the decline of the Jordan 4s. I want to make a whole video about that, but you guys kind of see how the resale is dropping for a lot of these different sneakers. One, due to the current sneaker market, and due to the entire economy. Everything is low right now. But I'm telling you, man, around that back to school time frame, the Air Jordan 4 military blue is going to shoot up, because everybody's going to want to get them for back to school and around Christmas time, man. So do not wait too long. If you need a pair, if you want to double up, man, go ahead and pay that resale value, or try to hit on a couple other restocks that we potentially could see before that back to school time frame does come about, man. So don't say I ain't tell you, bro. Don't say your boy DeVintage ain't tell you about this restock or potential restocks or when to grab it, because like I said, man, military blues gonna go to the moon eventually. Just, you know, only time will tell. I appreciate the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Make sure you subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please do a huge like on today's video. If y'all don't do nothing else, man, hit that like button. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support, man. All being said, your boy DeVintage, gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.